Chairman Tucker, members of the board, Mr. Popolka. I just want to briefly provide you some information concerning the new welding career pathways option that JRTC and Dabney S. Lancaster Community College have worked together to develop. And what this will entail is students who meet the prerequisite requirements for dual enrollment and are willing to pursue that pathway will be able to complete a welding certificate by the end of their senior year at Allegheny High School. And the courses will be taught at JRTC by the welding instructor there. Students will also have the option of taking courses at Dabney S. Lancaster Community College. I've provided a copy of some possible pathways that were provided by JRTC and Mr. Jamie Huffman, the instructor, that were provided in your packet. The approximate cost would be about $4,000 for the dual enrollment courses. Do you have any questions?
Excited about the program. Mr. Huffman has worked very hard with Mr. Spangler and the people at Dabney to come up with this career pathway. It was one of our parts of our 2020 plan to first establish a program with Early Scholar program, and then now we also have one with the welding. We are also looking at other programs, possibly with electricity and some others as we move forward.
You said this was a $4,000 expense. Is that a student expense or are we going to?
Dual enrollment credit that we would pick up is
We would pick up
$25
that.
per credit.
For credit, yeah, not per student.
So does this help utilize the fourth block at JRTC?
Not necessarily.
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Mr. Huffman will be willing to come in, this is my understanding, Mr. Huffman, you correct me if I'm wrong, early in the mornings and during fourth block, willing to work, and after school, willing to work with those students who are pursuing the dual enrollment and the certificate program.
But it won't necessarily relieve what Mr. Percy was concerned about, how JRTC uses their fourth block.
Part of this is on the line.
Is this available to Covington students too?
Absolutely.